Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are here with an interesting batch which is nothing but configurable bundles in Salesforce CPQ. So this is also going to be the prerequisite for our Salesforce CPQ specialist credential. If you need solution for any of these challenges, playlist will be available in our channel to check that. Let's take up our first challenge now, which is learn about configuration in sales process. So once if you launch your challenge, here you will find a link for signing up with special developer edition org with Salesforce CPQ. I'm just going to launch this in a new tab. So here we are going to fill all of these data. So once if you fill all of these details, just click on sign me up by checking on this checkbox. So here it will take 2 to 5 minutes to receive mail in your register mail ID. So once if you receive the link in a register mail ID, you just have to set a new password over there. So let me wait for this. So here we have received the mail. I'm just going to verify the account now. Click on verify account and we can type the new password right over here, and we can confirm the password as well, and here we are just going to give the answer for our security question. So once if it is done, click on change password, and now if we are coming back to our challenge, we are just going to click on these 3 dots and we are just going to connect the org. Click on connect org. So here we are just going to copy this username and paste it right over here, followed by the password which we have set. So once if it is done, click on login and now click on allow, followed by yes, save it. And now if you see right over here, our playground has been fetched, and now I'm just going to click on launch. We can close all other tabs right over here. So guys, now I'm just going to click on app launcher. So here we are just going to search for Salesforce CPQ, so which is right over here. So once if you get the result, just click on it, and here let's go to our accounts tab. Let's change the view to all accounts. So once if it is done, we are just going to click on this edge communications, followed by related tab. So here if you scroll down inside opportunities, you will find this printer for back office. Just click on it. So guys, here on the right side you will find this quote. So I'm just going to click on this. So here we are just going to click on edit lines. So guys, here you will find this add product. So instead of clicking on this drop down, I'm just directly going to make a click on add products, and here we are just going to search for laser printer and just select this checkbox. So once if it is done, click on select and add more, and here we are just going to select all of these 4 options. So once if it is done, click on save. So hopefully we have completed this challenge as well. Let's go back and click on check challenge. So guys, while checking if you are getting this error, so instead of select and add more, we just have to select after choosing our laser printer. So just search for laser printer and just choose this, followed by select instead of select and add more. And now we are going to choose all of these 4 options, followed by save. So that will work for this. So once if it is done, just click on save. And now let's check this challenge and click on check challenge. So yeah guys, we have successfully completed our first challenge. Remaining challenges will be available in the same playlist. Do check that. See you all on next video. Until then, bye bye.